Okay, so we're going to look at dimensioning. All right, so I'm just creating this wall over here. So you see how it works. So place this wall here. I want to dimension. I come to annotate over here. All right, annotate tab. I have aligned. So the very first panel, you can see dimension over here. You have all the tools that you need for dimensioning. You have aligned here. So when I click aligned, I want to dimension. If you can see the snapping option, which are the blue dashes, is appearing in the core of the wall. But what if we don't want it in the core of the wall? So um I come down here, I can change those options. So when I click on wall center lines, I see a drop down. We have wall center lines, we have wall faces, we have center of core, we have faces of core. So this is telling me where I want the snapping option to appear. Initially, it was on the center line, so you could see it within the wall. So let's supposing we want it on the wall faces. Okay. So you notice when I click on the wall faces, you can see that from the face of this wall, I'm dimensioning the space. Okay. So there's wall faces. What about center of core? What do we see? So center of core is this portion, which is away a bit from the wall center line. So when I click that part to the next core, that's that one over there. So let's look at the other one, faces of core. So faces of core, which is here. Okay, this is the face of the core, and we also have that one. And then the first one that we have in the wall center line. Okay, so from the middle of the wall. So depending on what dimension you're trying to achieve, um, you use the dimension accordingly. Normally, you want to measure from the wall faces because um, it's normally the interior of the space that you'll be trying to dimension. So that's what the align tool does. Click one point to another and then you dimension. Okay, all right. Thank you very much.